what is more intense, poker or the traitors?
Oh, definitely poker.
Oh,
Traitors
okay.
is like, no. Traitors is just like a social experiment. It's fun. Like, not, some of them weren't the smartest people.
Fair.
They were just there for the entertainment factor. Poker is you're competing against the sharpest minds who have trained to beat you at a world-class level. And they've been training for decades to come after you and prove you wrong. So, definitely poker. Yeah.
A reality show you'd never do.
I don't think I'll do any of them, to be honest. Like, look at them.
What?
They're so
I'm sorry to say the biggest rumor right now is that she's in Big Boss.
Oh, really? No.
No idea.
No.
Oh my God, no, damn it. This is the big, we thought we'll get the news on the show.
I get all my rumors
From me?
From you, yeah.
Okay. Which innocent do you think still holds a grudge?
Oh, that's a clickbaity answer you're getting out of me. I think all of them. All of them. ये बाहर से आ गई है, हमारा टाइटल लेके चली गई है.
Oh, you're saying to you? No, I'm saying generally. कौन सा innocent है जिसको यार बहुत बुरा लगा कि वो out हो गए? Sufi, right?
Yeah. He was shattered. He cried so much. He felt really bad. I felt bad for him also.
What was the one thing about these famous people that you noticed and said, यार मैं जितनी भी famous हो जाऊँ मैं ये नहीं करूँगी?
Yeah, I can't be abusing and talking down to people, especially people who are elder to you. All of that, I can't do it. Yeah.
What wins more in life, truth or betrayal?
100% truth. I'm an innocent.
Yes.
Always.
One player, according to you, and obviously we're not, being mean or anything, just on basis of strategy, should never be allowed in a house like this again. क्योंकि उनकी strategy बहुत खराब थी.
Janhvi ji.
I agree with you. Janhvi ji, yaar.
Oh God.
Let's get to know you a little more and ask you Bollywood. Do you like Bollywood, and who's your Bollywood crush? If you like growing up, like who was the one actor you had a crush on?
Growing up, Amir Khan.
Oh my God,
I
really?
had a huge crush on him.
So cute. Wow. And if you met him?
I'll date him.
Oh, so cute.
If he will have me.
So everybody knows you're a strategist and all of these things, but if we had to ask you who is Nikita Luthra in one word, outside of the games and what you do, okay, who is she really? Like if there's one word. Is she innocent?
Definitely. I think I'll describe myself as authentic. Because I'm very true to who I am. I don't try to put on anything. Yeah. Like what I say is exactly how
what
I
you
feel.
Get.
Yeah.
Absolutely. There was a point on the show at the end when, and Urfi said, you can keep the money. Okay?
Yeah.
Urfi Javed, don't say these things if you don't mean it. Because now I'm going to ask Nikita Luthra, did you keep all the money?
No. She just basically said it because, she had that journey on Big Boss where she was eliminated first. Yeah.
She was
so
very
for
emotional.
her, the title meant everything. She's like, again, proving everyone wrong.
Yeah.
So she came to do that and she got it. She's like, मेरे को पैसों से कोई मतलब नहीं है, मेरे को बस title चाहिए, like that. But it wasn't because of me.
But you should have told her. तूने एक बार भी मजाक में नहीं बोला उसे दे मुझे सारे पैसे किधर है?
No. I play poker. I make two.
She's like, I make two. That's another rumor about you, that your net worth is being discussed on the internet.
Where have they got it? What is going on in Bollywood? How can they speculate my net worth? कौन बता रहा है ये सब तुम लोगों को?
41 करोड़. 41 करोड़ का net worth है? क्या है फिर?
I don't know my net worth. वो मेरे लिए नहीं बोला था, मेरे लिए 7 करोड़ बोला था खाली.
बहुत कम है.
I know.
7 करोड़ is too less, guys. I am looking at her and I'm thinking, 41 करोड़. That's crazy.